with no timeouts remaining, the score time. LA has approached the 3-point line, launched it off the glass. It's good. Yes, sir. And Alex Tabacot was actually there to challenge the shot. And then payback. Yeah, that's really payback. That's payback. And remember, first time these two teams met this conference, San Miguel won by 2. Now Alaska winning by 3. Unbelievable turn of events. Woo! Gino, take it away.
I'm here with the man of the hour, LA Tenorio. LA, talk about the last 2 sequences of this game.
Well, the last 2 kasi yung second to the last, hindi kami naka-execute, and then defensively, well, Dondon with the shot. So syempre, sino pa ba ina-expect natin? Syempre si Dondon. Pero yung last shot, we don't have timeout anymore, so yeah, ginawa na lang ng paraan. Luckily, nag-shoot talaga.
First half, laka ng lamang ninyo. San Miguel came roaring back into this in the second half. What does it mean that you guys were able to squeak out this win here?
Well, as expected naman eh. So, they're the number 1 team, so hindi naman sila basta-basta give up eh. So kahit no bearing sa kanila ko, somehow hindi sila mag-give up. So, well, they came out after the first half na aggressive and defensively and offensively.
Last game, you didn't have a great performance. Tonight, you came back and you hit the game winner. Sinabi mo nga sa akin kanina na medyo naramdaman mo yung fatigue. Pero ngayon, mukhang fresh na ngayon
Well, siyempre, after really bad games, so siyempre, katulad nga na sinabi ko kanina sa interview, it's a matter how I bounce back on this game. So, yun, swerte lang, naging ready lang talaga kami offensively and defensively.
May mensahe ka pa sa mga sumusuporta kay LA Tenorio sa Alaska?
Lahat ng fans sa Alaska, sana huwag kayo magsawang sumuporta. And sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dyan, CS Boys, dito tayo mamaya.
Thank you very much, LA Tenorio. Let's send it back to the panel.
Those were you. LA Tenorio. Certainly a heroic effort on the part of LA. But we were saying that there was this one guy, the effort that he was showing in the fourth quarter was keeping Alaska's hopes alive. Boy, LA Tenorio, the winner, and then hitting the game winner. Here's that three-pointer to tie this game. Dondon Ontiveros, he was red hot in the second half, but with no timeouts remaining, LA said, oh, you know what? Let's fire away. And he hits a 3 to win the game at the buzzer. Very heroic. And you see this play again, run by San Miguel. And Coach Otto Agustin worked that play perfectly. The execution was right there. And who would have expected? Alaska, no timeout. Sometimes, kuminsan, mas maigi pa rin. Kung wala kang timeout. Yeah. And Tenorio telling kapag to, oh yan, pare, quits na tayo. You scored the game winner on me, I scored the game winner on you. And you know what? The perfect way to end a pulsating ball game. That's